Are you tired of spending hours creating content for your blog or e-commerce site? Content Gorilla is here to revolutionize your workflow. Imagine transforming a single video or keyword into a full year's worth of engaging, SEO-optimized blog posts with just one click. This AI-powered platform is perfect for e-commerce owners, affiliate marketers, and content creators who want to save time, cut costs, and drive traffic effortlessly. No more staring at a blank screen or struggling to come up with ideas. Content Gorilla does the heavy lifting for you, so you can focus on what really matters, growing your business. Say goodbye to the tedious tasks of writing and scheduling content. With Content Gorilla, automation is the name of the game. Simply input your source material, whether it's a YouTube video, a keyword, or even an existing article, and let the AI generate high-quality, plagiarism-free content in minutes. The platform even schedules your posts for you, ensuring a consistent flow of fresh content to boost your SEO rankings. No more hiring expensive writers or wasting time on manual updates. Content Gorilla streamlines the entire process, giving you back precious hours in your day. Worried about quality? Don't be. Content Gorilla delivers engaging, reader-friendly posts tailored to your niche. The AI analyzes top-performing content to ensure your posts are optimized for search engines and packed with valuable information. Plus, you can customize the tone, style, and length to match your brand's voice. Whether you need product descriptions, how-to guides, or listicles, Content Gorilla adapts to your needs. And with built-in SEO tools, your content will rank higher, attracting more organic traffic and potential customers. The best part? Content Gorilla is available at an unbeatable one-time price. No monthly subscriptions or hidden fees. That's right. You pay once and enjoy lifetime access to this powerful tool. Think about how much you'll save compared to hiring writers or paying for other content creation services. It's a no-brainer investment for anyone serious about scaling their online presence. Don't miss out on the future of content marketing. Join thousands of satisfied users who are already saving time, cutting costs, and growing their businesses with Content Gorilla. Ready to transform your content strategy? Click the link below to get Content Gorilla today and start generating a year's worth of SEO-optimized blog posts in minutes. The sooner you start, the sooner you'll see results. Stop struggling with content creation and let Content Gorilla do the work for you. Your audience and your bottom line will thank you.